Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, power the A7III, confirm a charged battery and card, then go straight into menu. Once inside, navigate to the Custom Settings tab and find Custom Key. You choose the physical button you want to change. Pick C1 or another accessible control so you can reach it in the moment. Make sure you know whether you want the change to apply in stills, movie, or both, because the camera separates some assignments. This first step gets you into the exact screen where assignments are made. Once done selecting the button, scroll the list of available functions and pick the one you need. For example, AF area, metering mode, or ISO. You'll see options for toggle or hold behavior. Choose hold if you want the button to act only while pressed, or toggle for on/off switching. Make sure to inspect submenus. Some functions assign a direct action, others open a quick menu. This gives you the balance of immediate control versus a shortcut to deeper settings. You finish by saving and exiting the menu, then immediately test the new button in the shooting mode you use most. If the button doesn't behave as expected, make sure you assigned it for the correct mode, stills versus movie, and that no conflicting custom assignments exist. If needed, reset the custom key or pick a different button. Finally, store the full configuration to a memory slot so you can recall it quickly. Troubleshoot by reverting assignments or updating firmware if odd behavior persists.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.